This is what a Z-channel looks like cut on a hockey skate blade. This one on the top here is the one I cut the Z-channel on. There's a standard blade. So the one here, right here that I'm touching right now is a standard 3mm blade, and this is the one I've cut a Z-channel in that's got a trough in there that's lower than what contacts on the ice. So you've got a radius of hollow, and then you also have a trough that's cut through. So the grindstone is dressed with the dresser such that you've got a radius of hollow, plus it has a raised part on the stone that cuts the trough, the gully through there. And that's what the Prosharp Z channel looks like. Kind of an interesting cut. And that's using an AS series machine, which you dress the wheel. This doesn't have a wheel on it that you buy that's already got Z channel. They have that for different machines, but this is on an AS series. So there's a dresser here that looks like this that cuts the Z channel. And that's for the narrower type of Z channel. I haven't got in there and measured it. It kind of looks like it's a little bit less than a millimeter. That's what a normal dressing head looks like. That's a non-Z channel. Move this back and forth, adjust the wheel, and this is what a Z channel one looks like. It's got this extra gizmo on here, the channel widths. You can lift this up so that the pin is not in place, and you can rotate this back and forth to dress it just like the older version. This is the diamond. Or if you pop this down, it's going to dress one side. You're going to lift it up and dress the other side. So the two sides of the trough here is one side is dressed with the cutting on this side, one is on the other. And then this pin back and forth determines the small, medium, or large, the amount it cuts. Because this is a 3mm blade, you might want to have a larger trough if you've got a 4mm blade like on a figure skate. And here, got the dresser set up for 5/8. The older machine. We'll turn it off.